and gentlemen, we're going to show you the creeper exoskeleton, a female armed police suit.
In the circus world, entertainment is life, and one young man's determination drives him to do the unthinkable.
He's never gonna be a stuntman. What a loser.
No one's seen Clive? He's up next. This is my chance to prove that I can do stunts. But I can't allow anybody to recognize me.
But when everything goes wrong...
I have a confession to make. No one has done this stunt and lived. It might cost you your life.
It cost me my life.
Ladies and gentlemen, children of all ages, welcome to the greatest show on earth!
Okay, I can do this. Focus. Focus.
Someone get a medic!
That poor baby.
That poor elephant.
And why the heck is that vacuum cleaner still stuck on his nose? Well, I guess he'll be known from now on as Baby Elephant Vacuum Cleaner Nose. The guy whose career ended in a circus disaster.
One baby stands against disaster.
I'm in chaos!
Everybody get a move on! And I mean everybody! Move! 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 Move!
He's too fast! What? He's on 20-inch donuts! After him! Reinforcements. Stand at your post. Did you see where he went? Where did he go? We've lost sight of him, sir.
We have a 305 in progress. He must not leave the complex. Take extreme action and stop him from spreading the infection. Where am I?
There he is. Stop him!
Baby Elephant Vacuum Cleaner Nose.
Baby who? What now?
I said Baby Elephant Vacuum Cleaner Nose. You gotta make sure you say the whole thing.